All right, y'all, let's talk about fake flowers for a second. Because artificial flowers can show up looking a little, travel worn, which is fair, they've been on a journey. These are the Lune clay hydrangea artificial flowers, and straight out of the box, they were a little smushed. Not ugly, just tired. They've been riding in the back seat for a few states. These were sent for us to test out, and here's the trick, just in case you didn't know. If you've ever fluffed out faux flowers before, you already know. Grab a hairdryer, you guys. Warm air. Not enough to cook supper, just enough to relax them a little. Once you hit them with that warm air, the magic happens. The petals soften up, the stems loosen, and suddenly they start fluffing out like they remembered who they are. These are real touch silk flowers. So once they're fluffed, they actually feel nice, not stiff or plastic. The hydrangeas are full, the ranunculus add that pretty detail, and the eucalyptus and pampas give it that soft, airy look. I like that this bouquet comes already arranged because I'm not trying to play florist today. You can tweak it, bend the stems, spread them out, and make it look natural without overthinking it. After fluffing, you can style them on a table, and honestly, they look like something you've seen in a cozy southern home or at a wedding where someone's aunt has excellent taste. They're perfect for centerpieces, shelves, entry tables, anywhere you want flowers that stay pretty without watering, trimming, or feeling guilty when you forget about them. Once they're fluffed and styled, they don't look fake. They look like those flowers, and that's the goal.